Hey there, my Reddit friends. Russ Whitney here from russwhitney.com. You find some great training on that site, by the way, and some good insight. This comes from, this comes from KindTap. And it's advice on becoming a landlord. Have any of you had experience of being a landlord? I'm thinking of buying a house, renting it out, start making extra money, and to have more real estate. I've heard some horror stories of tenants wrecking the place and putting the landlord under, but I've also seen several do quite well. So do you guys have any advice? Sure do. You know, that's a question I get all the time because I've owned hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of apartment units, starting with just a duplex years ago. And yeah, tenants do trash the properties once in a while. First of all, I would say this. Whenever I bought a property, I would go meet every tenant. I would inspect every unit. And I would let them know, you know the difference if something is messy or filthy. I would not put up with filth. However, you know, a lot of low, moderate income properties, they don't get a lot of good training on hygiene and cleanliness from the parents. I would always take kind of a fatherly approach and say, listen, you know, here's how we're going to keep this place. I have a mortgage, I have to pay the bank, which means I have to keep it rented. We're going to inspect usually once a month. And you know what, I took a fatherly approach, not a mean approach. And I would generally find that would help me build relationship with my tenants. And my goal was to provide decent, safe, and affordable housing for moderate income people. So I would say the answer is get to know your tenants, keep the maintenance up, and you'll keep the abuse down. But let me also give you this other example. You know, Sam Walton built Walmart. Okay, Walmart into billions of dollars. Do you think right now there's somebody in Walmart plugging a toilet, stealing something, employees stealing out the back door, somebody scratching their initials into the side of the dividers in the latrine? Sure, there's going to be a lot of hassles, but you set aside a reserve for that. It's part of the business. Sam Walton didn't say, well, I think I'll bypass billions of dollars because someone might plug a toilet. It's just the cost of doing business. Let me give you an example. Somebody kicks it in right here. Somebody kicks in the wall. A 4x8 sheet of sheetrock costs what? Less than $20. A toilet, $50. Most of your work is cosmetic. I wouldn't be afraid to get rich because somebody might abuse your property. Be a good manager and be astute. Care for your tenants and the people you do business with, and I think you'll find that the money will come automatic.